Zoha. Zoha is there? No. Okay. Then Kulsum Alwani. Alwani
Yes, sir.
Kulsum is there. Kulsum, you were there in the previous lecture?
Yes.
Okay. Kulsum, tell me how much have we done in our letter writing? I think we were writing this format, right? Right?
Yes.
See, in your rough book, you will see, you will get to know how much have we done. So, look into your rough book, how much have we done, and tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Iman Fatima is there. Iman Fatima. Iman Fatima. Not there. Okay. Sayyida.
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
I am there.
Okay, one by one. Let me ask first to Iman Fatima. So,
Okay, sir.
Iman Fatima, in your rough book, look into your rough book and tell me what have we done in the last lecture. And everyone, be ready with your rough book and the pencil and pen, whatever you need in your hand.
Sir, we had done that question of informal letter and answer that you have to write your address and that.
This we have written question. Can you see the screen, dear? I think Iman Fatima has some problem in her mic.
Yes, sir. Your screen is proper.
Okay,
Yes,
let
sir.
me talk to.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
mute your
Sir,
mic.
can I speak?
No, you cannot. Mute your mic. And everyone mute your mic. Everyone mute your mic. Yes, I want to talk to Sayyida.
Yes, sir.
Sayyida, have you written this question in your book?
Yes,
Okay. What question have you written? Can you read it once?
yes. You are a Akriti. Write a letter to your friend dis-
Describing
describing your boarding school ex- ex-
experience.
experience.
Okay, and then have you written anything after that, after this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What have you written? Can you tell me?
Uh, Sir, I write my flat
I have
number.
written. I write? No, I have written.
I have written my address.
Address. And that is what I have already taught you yesterday, right? How to write.
Sir,
So, Sayyid, can you read what you have written in your address, beta?
yes, sir.
Please read it.
A1 Fazal Bhai Manzil, then Madhwachak Bhavnagar.
And Matswa Chowk in the next line and Bhavnagar in the next line. In that way,
Yes,
have you written?
yes,
Okay, very good. And then have you written the pin code of Bhavnagar?
yes, sir.
Pin code, I told you, remember? 364001 is the pin code.
Yes, sir.
That will you will have to write. After writing Bhavnagar, you have to put one dash and then you have to write 364001. Okay, thank you for answering me. Mute your mic, beta. Okay. Now, how many of you have written the address? Your address. Say yes, sir, and your name.
Yes, sir. Muskan Raujani. Yes, sir. Sheikh Mahdi.
Yes, sir. Sayyida Nayani.
And then mute your mic, huh? Don't forget to mute your mic. Okay, Mehri,
Sir, can I
can I talk
speak?
to you? Yes, who is this? She wanted to speak. Who is this?
I am, I am Kulsum.
Kulsum Alwani.
Yes.
Kulsum, before you speak, can I tell you something?
Yes.
Okay, you first speak and I'll then instruct you. The instruction I want to give it to you specially. Okay, tell me what happened, beta.
Sir, yesterday I was sleeping, then not attend first lecture, then not come YouTube link, then I watch video. YouTube link group में नहीं.
YouTube link was not there in the group yesterday.
Sir, repeat.
Kulsum,
Yes, sir.
YouTube link was not there yesterday.
No, sir, not there.
I will check and I will let you know, beta. Okay?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Marine,
Sir, can I speak?
no. Marine,
Yes, sir.
have you written the address?
Yes, sir.
Okay, mute your mic. Now, girls, after writing the address, leave one line and write today's date. Today's date. Alicia, which date is that today? Only Alicia will
Sir,
speak. Remember, when I speak, when I call out the name,
sir,
only that
sir,
girl.
there is
Can
Friday.
I finish? Can I finish, beta?
Yes.
How? If you will speak and if I will speak, they will not be able to hear anyone, beta. So,
Okay.
what I'm saying is, whenever you are writing the letter, that date you have to mention here on that date you are sending. And secondly, that whenever in this group I call out the name, only that girl will turn on the mic and speak, dear. Don't tell me, sir, can I speak? Can I speak? No. No, please. No, I'll not bear that, dear. Because when I am trying to speak something, because of the network issue, when you speak, students are not able to hear anyone, and that will be useless. So this rule I have made for certain reason. Okay, Alicia, which date is that today?
Today, Friday and 23
No.
October.
Yes, 23rd. So you have to write
Yes.
23rd October, comma 2020. Come on, girls. And don't say yes, sir. Huh? You can type the message if you have done. Don't turn on the mic, please, unless I call your name out. And after writing today's date, leave one line, and then write dear and your friend's name. If your friend is Alicia, you will write dear Alicia. If your friend is Mehreen, you will write dear Mehreen. In short, after writing dear, you have to write your friend's name. Date, today's date, leave one line, then write dear and your friend's name, and then wait for my other instruction. And type the message done. After writing dear and your friend's name, type the message done.
Sir, can I speak?
I told you no better, this is not allowed in my class, dear. Sorry. Next time if you will do this, beta, I will have to here remove you. Because I will give you time to ask the doubts. At that time you can ask me doubts, whatever you have. So type the message as soon as you finish this. Sometimes the message are not available, it is okay.
Sir, keyboard not
Please,
available.
no problem, dear. When I say don't speak, you don't have to speak. Now this is the last warning to all the girls. You have to wait for the network connection, proper network connection. That is not in my hand again. Sometimes your voice is also not clear. You are not available. Sometimes many things happen, no? At that time, am I speaking? I have to wait. In the same way, you also have to wait. What can we do, beta? Okay, now let me call out the name one by one. Okay, Sakina Rajani, can you talk to me? Sakina Rajani. See, girls, even if you're not answering, I'm noting down everything in my book, huh? Because I
Yes,
have to
sir.
put internal marks. Yes, Sakin, have you written?
Yes, sir.
What? Yes, sir. You are not there in the group. You are playing outside or what, dear? I'm telling you that. Have you written this?
Yes, sir.
What have you written? Tell me. Come on, dear. Tell me what have you written. Okay, that means she has written nothing. Okay, then Dania, Siddhartha Dania. She is also not there. So I think their names are only there in the group. Okay. Then Raujani Zoher. Who is that?
Yes, sir.
What is your name?
Inshia.
Inshia, how much have you written? Tell me in your book.
Sir, I have written till date.
Date. After date, what have I asked you to write? Just before few seconds, I asked you something to write after date.
Second.
Please remove Fatima because she was speaking in between. Please, sir, remove her. If sir
No,
or
sir.
ma'am,
Sorry.
no, please, sorry. Sir or ma'am, if anyone is there, please look here in the group. She was speaking in between.
Sir.
Because when I make certain rules, it should be followed strictly. Yes,
Sir.
yes, Ilsia.
Sir, your screen is too blurred.
No problem. I'm not asking you what is written on the screen. I'm asking you what have you written. Is your paper blur?
No, sir. I have written till dear
Dear, then
and
what? What do you have to write?
dear Kulsum.
Okay. So Kulsum is your best friend.
No, sir. This Kulsum.
But whoever name Kulsum can be of anyone, no? But
Yes.
Kulsum is the name of your best friend, no?
Yes.
Okay, fine. No problem. Mute your mic. Yes, Iman Fatima, what have you written? Tell me.
Sir, we had written till DR. We had written our friend's name.
Tell me, no? What have you written?
Sana Sakina.
So first you have written address, Iman Fatima. Just say yes or no. Address.
Yes, I had written address.
I just said say yes or no. No, don't speak anything else.
Yes.
Then after leaving one line, you have written date, today's date.
Yes.
And then after leaving one line, you have written dear and your friend's name.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Mute your mic. Yes, now Fatima. Who is this Fatima? She is not answering. Okay. Then Rifat Malkani.
Yes, sir.
What have you written? Tell me.
Sir, dear. Number,
Your voice is
address.
breaking.
Sir, I written address,
I have
date,
written.
date, and
Wrong. 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 It is not right. Because after address, you have to leave one line and then date.
sir, I leave it.
You left. Okay. So you have to speak like that, dear. That I have written address, and then I have left one line, and then date. And then after leaving one line, what have you written next?
Dear XYZ.
No friend. You don't have any friend.
Sir, I have.
So you have to write your friend's name. It is compulsory. At least one friend you might be having.
Ishrat, sir.
Then write it down.
Sir, right it.
Okay, mute your mic. Okay. Seerat Fatima Wakil. Seerat Fatima Wakil.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Seerat Fatima Wakil, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what have you written? Tell me.
Sir, first I have written address. After
Hmm.
that, date. After that, dear Muskan.
Okay, so have you left one line after writing address and date?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So Muskan, Muskan is there.
Yes, sir.
What have you written?
1 minute.
And
Sir,
sit,
I have.
sit at one Muskan. Whenever you
Yes,
are in
sir.
the lecture for 3 lectures, you have to sit at some silent place. So whenever I ask
Yes,
you the
sir.
question, only I should hear your voice, not the background voice.
Yes, sir. I had written address, then I leave one line, then
Hmm.
I have written date, then I have left one line, then I write dear Sirat.
Oh, so you both are the best friends, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me ask the question to Fatima Alwani.
Yes, sir.
What have you written? Have you given me the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What have you written?
I written first line, then I leave one line, and I written dear friend Muskan.
But you have not written address and date.
Sir, I have written address and date. I
So speak
written
properly, no?
first line address, then I leave one line, and then second line date, and I leave one line and write dear friend Muskan.
Dear friend Muskan, no. Just you have to write dear Muskan. If you are writing friend, then you don't have to write the name. If you are writing name, then you don't have to write friend. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now,
Sir, can I speak?
who is this? Yeah, who is this? Beta, I have told you no that don't do it. Is it emergency? Beta,
Sir, I am Sayeda.
yes. Is it urgent?
What, sir?
Is it any? Is it urgent emergency?
Sir, your voice is so much breaking.
Please mute your mic. Mute your mic. Please mute your mic.
Okay, sir.
I hope that sir and ma'am is anyone there. I hope please remove the one who is speaking in between. Directly, please remove. Okay, Zoha. Kadri Zoha.
Sir,
I
Zoha
think
is not
Zoha.
there.
I saw her name. And Alicia, why you are speaking like this? Not allowed. No, in our group. This is the 100th time I'm just reminding you the rules. Please don't do that. Even the cow can understand where to
Okay,
go
sir.
and where not to go. Okay, now if Alicia, you are speaking, Alicia, tell me what have you written?
I have written the society, block number, the area,
Hold
and the
on.
pin code,
So
date,
in short, you
and
should say I have written address.
Yes.
Then?
Then date and
No, you're
my best
wrong.
friend.
No, you are wrong. Tell me where are you wrong? Or ask me where am I wrong?
Where am I wrong?
You have to speak that I have written address and then I have left one line and then date, again left one line and then the name. Okay, then tell me whose name have you written?
I have written the Sadia.
Whose name?
Sadia.
Okay.
Sadiya.
Sabia is there in the group?
She's my friend. She's my friend.
Okay. Fine. So in short, that much you all have written. Address and then date should come and then salutation. This is salutation. Dear and your friend's name. That is called salutation. So three parts you have written out of the six main parts of the letter. Now remaining three parts are there. So now please start writing from here. Now Alicia, can you help me out?
Yes, sir.
Alicia, can you just tell me, are you able to read the content properly, clearly?
No, sir. There
Okay,
is
wait, let me. It
screen
is?
is blur.
Okay, I will help you out. Wait a minute. Alicia, now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what?
The screen is only uh, not blur, only
Then
light.
light.
No, sir. Blur.
Fatima? Okay, now please remove Fatima. Second time she is speaking like this in between. I did not call out your name. Please respect the rules I have made. Only when I call your name out, you will be, allowed to speak here. When I say please, you have to understand. Please don't force me to scold you all. Always I said that the girls are better than boys. So please prove that you are better. Okay. This girl, Iman Fatima.
Yes, sir.
Is it blur, like your friend says?
Sir, it's not blurred, but when between it's blurred.
Sometimes.
Yes, sometimes.
Okay, no problem. So students, please write the first paragraph in the. Now no one will turn on the mic for no reason. For any reason, you will not turn on the mic. Please mute your mic. Kindly, it is my humble request. Okay. Please write down this paragraph. Someone's mic is still on. I will request ma'am to remove. Someone's mic is still on. Write down first paragraph. It has been a while since I have. It has been a while since I have heard from you. How have you been? I hope this letter finds you in the best of your health and cheerful spirits. As soon as you finish the first paragraph, you can say yes, sir, and then your name slowly with a soft voice. I'll try to adjust the screen.
Yes, sir. Musa English.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Muskan Raujani.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Sayyida Nayani.
Yes, sir. Sheikh Marin. Yes, sir. Kasman Ishat.
Okay. That means you all have finished this first paragraph.
Yes.
In such a less time, you make sure that you are sending me your work regularly because you are saying yes here and then you don't send your work in the WhatsApp. So I will just put cross in the internal marks. Like I have
I will
already
send.
I'm talking about in general, for all. See, students. Okay, Alisha, if you have done, can you read the main three parts in the content? There were three parts in the content, right?
Yes.
So, which were the three parts?
In there is the speak parts in contains address.
No, sorry, you are not getting my point.
In paragraph.
Where, yes, exactly.
In paragraph, there is the
There
three
are.
parts. There are three parts.
Which are there?
Uh, 1 minute.
1
Heard,
minute.
seen,
What? 1 minute
seen.
is not the part.
No, sir.
Okay.
Wait
So,
for 1 minute. That I tell.
weight. How much weight you have?
No, sir.
Okay. No, sir, is the
There is
first
the
part. Okay.
seen and then the
What? What is
being
the first?
scenes. SINCE.
No. Alicia, you are really, I think you are drowsy, I suppose, because you are not getting my point what my question is. Okay, mute your mic. Thank you. Yes, Kasmali Ismat.
Yes, sir.
In the format of letter writing, I have given you the proper format in which main six parts are there. But in paragraph, in contained, three more parts are there. Which are they?
Uh, it has been a while
What are you
since.
reading? What are you reading? Are you not getting my question, dear? I'm telling you, when you are writing the format, where is the format in your book?
Format.
In the previous lecture, we have written the format of letter writing. You were there in that lecture?
Yes,
Or
sir.
you were, I hope you are not sleeping.
Hmm, yes,
Answer me
I am
quickly.
reading. Yes. Content. Content. Introduction.
Yes,
Body of the letter and
yes.
con- conclusion.
And conclusion. So three parts were there: introduction, body of the letter, and conclusion. So in the paragraph, in the content, again three parts are there. So this is the content. We have started content after salutation. After salutation, we have started content. Now this paragraph is introduction. And the next paragraph will start here, which is the main body. And the last paragraph will be of conclusion. Are you understanding now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. Mute your mic, everyone. Thank you for answering me. Okay. So after writing first paragraph, leave one line and then start another paragraph. Another paragraph starts from here. As you know, I have got admission in a boarding school. I wanted, and then I will turn the page. After writing that first line, I mean, on this page, the last line, if you complete, say yes, sir, and your name.
Yes, sir. Kasmanishpat.
Okay. Girls, on this screen, last line is the starting of second paragraph.
Yes, sir.
Sadan Sayyidanayani. Sadan
Slowly,
Sayyid
slowly. With soft voice, beta, not so loudly.
Hadan.
Yeah. Just imagine your brother or sister comes near you and shouts in your ears.
Yes, sir. Muskan Rauchani.
Okay, fine.
Sir, it
Now,
is.
thank you. Thank you. Mute your mic.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Continue from here. To share my initial days experience, continue. And students, listen to very carefully. Don't mess it up. See, this is the second paragraph ending. Don't write whole paragraph unless I ask you to do so. Only write till here, and then I'll instruct you further what do you have to do. And screen will get blur, clear. It is all dependent on the network. You and me cannot do anything. We can just try our level best to complete our work properly without any excuses. As soon as you finish writing till encouraging, that is here, say yes sir in your name after you finish writing this. To share my initial days experience with you. That is, the previous page had the words I wanted. So I wanted to share my initial days experience with you. Earlier, I was stressed as I have never been away from my family since childhood. But we cannot cage ourselves in a small world which matches our comfort level. I want to thank for your precious advice at the time I needed it the most. You said it very truly that we should not reach to conclusions without even visiting the campus. Your words were really encouraging. Girls, you have to write and make sure you send it to me daily because otherwise I'm not going to give you internal marks. Out of 20, I'll give you 0 regularly. Please send it to me.